What's the meaning of confession? Confession. Confession.
Confession. Confession. Confession is the act of admitting to a wrongdoing or an offense. It involves acknowledging one's actions and taking responsibility for them. Confession can bring about several results, including a feeling of relief or release from guilt, which can lead to improved mental health. In legal contexts, confession can result in a criminal conviction or sentence reduction, depending on the circumstances. In interpersonal relationships, confession can improve trust and communication between individuals. However, it is important to consider the potential consequences before making a confession.